Ready to dive into uncharted territory?
Oh yeah!
Hello friends, it is Allison from Wonderlast.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use IGTV to grow your business. Now, in case you're wondering, what the Sam Hill is IGTV? Let me tell you what it is. IGTV is Instagram's brand spanking new app that allows you to upload full screen, hour-long videos for your audience. Well, technically for most people you can only upload 10-minute videos for now, but Instagram's made it pretty clear that they're going to take away the time limit very soon. You can also use the app to search and watch all of the videos by the accounts that you follow. Basically, it's like Instagram, but for videos. In fact, it's really kind of like a hybrid in between Instagram stories, where you can only upload 15-second video clips, and YouTube, where you can upload videos that are up to 12 hours in length. And as of June 2018, it is brand spanking new, which is why today we're going to talk about how and why you should use IGTV to grow your business. But before I get into the how, let me quickly give you 5 good reasons why you should jump onto the IGTV bandwagon, in case you're on the fence. Reason number 1, it is a brand new platform, which means we are all starting from zero on it, and that gives you the unique opportunity to really leverage the platform and to become a front runner on it by jumping onto the IGTV bandwagon when it's in its super early stages. Reason number 2 why you should jump on the IGTV bandwagon is that video is gaining mega traction. Now, you may have already heard this lovely little predicted statistic already. Say that phrase 5 times. Little predicted statistic, little predicted statistic, little Let me start over. You may have already heard this lovely little predicted statistic already, but marketing experts everywhere are predicting that by 2020, nearly 80% of mobile traffic is going to be coming from video. In case you need me to state the obvious, 80% is a crap ton. So if you're not regularly using video as a way to market your business, you are going to get left behind in the dust trails of the people who are. And that will be a sad place to be. And dusty. Sad and dusty. Reason number 3 why you should most definitely jump on the IGTV bandwagon is that video equals trust and connection. Yep, video is one of the best and quickest ways to make a connection with your audience and to gain their trust. Because unlike other content platforms like blog posts or podcast episodes, when you do a video, your audience is able to see your face and to hear your voice. It is the next best thing to being able to just sit down with them over a nice cup of coffee. So, how are you today? Reason number 4 why you should definitely jump on the IGTV bandwagon is that video makes you stand out. Yes, it is true. Video makes you stand out online for many reasons. First, video is a great way to showcase your unique personality. I mean, after all, there might be a million people online doing what you're doing, but there is only one you, and video is a great way to showcase that. And secondly, there are still loads of people who are not doing any video, let alone doing video well. Simply adding video to your regular content strategy is gonna make you stand out from all of the people who aren't doing it. Come to the video side. And reason number 5 why you should definitely jump on the IGTV bandwagon is that it is an amazing opportunity for creativity. Think about all of the amazing ways that you can get creative with this whole IGTV thing. I mean, you could put together a special video series, you could showcase full-length workshops, you could make short films. I mean, blah, the sky is the limit. Okay, so now that we've talked about why you should most definitely jump onto the IGTV bandwagon, let's now talk about how you can use it to grow your business in 9 simple steps. Step number 1 is to create your IGTV channel. Start by accessing the app, which you can do 2 different ways. You can simply click on that adorable little TV icon that is now in the upper right-hand corner of Instagram when you're logged into the app, or you can download IGTV as a completely separate app. Once you open the app, you're gonna see your own Instagram icon. Click on that icon and it's gonna ask you if you wanna start your own channel. Once you create your own channel, it is time to move on to step number 2. Upload your first video. Oh, it's exciting! Yep, you just need to get that ball rolling. Simply click on Upload Video in your channel's landing page, and then you can choose any video that is on your camera roll. Right now, you cannot record video directly with the app, so you're gonna need to choose a video that already exists on your phone. Woo! Once you choose your video, you're then going to want to come up with a title and a description for your video, remembering to use keywords and phrases that will help people to find your video. So think about what people would be searching for when trying to find content like yours. And you can also create your own custom cover for the video. So before you upload the video, think about a photo that you could create and save in your camera roll that would make a great photo cover. You can edit it and add text to it and all of that jazz. And voila! Once your video is uploaded, people will then be able to like the video and comment on it just as they would with any of your other Instagram posts. Pretty nifty. Step number 3 for using IGTV to grow your business is to engage with your audience. So when you are planning or filming a video, think of specific ways that you can engage with your audience throughout it. Like ask people specific questions during the video and encourage them to leave their answers or comments below the video. Like literally just state the obvious in the video and tell them what to do. For example, so what are your tips for engaging your audience? Leave me a comment below this video and let me know. See what I did there? Step number 4 to using IGTV to grow your business is to post with your dream customer in mind. If you really want to use IGTV to grow your business, then you need to be thinking about what your dream customer would like to see, not what your family wants to see or your cat wants to see. Unless, of course, your family and your cat are your dream customers. But you always want to make sure that you're creating videos and posting content with your dream customer in mind. Not sure who your dream customer is? Then be sure to check out the video that I have all about how to discover and find your dream customer, which I will link to right up there somewhere. So just check out that video, but you know, like finish watching this video first and then check out that video. Step number 5 to using IGTV to grow your business is to post a variety of content. You know what gets real boring real fast? Posting the exact same type of content over and over and over. So you want to think about all of the different types of content that you can create. For example, you could create a welcome video or an FAQs video or a day in the life video or a behind the scenes video or a video where you're showcasing your workspace or your latest work, or you could do a video with fun facts about you to help your audience get to know you better. Are the creative wheels turning yet? Step number 6 to using IGTV to grow your business is to plan out a video content calendar. Yes, you can of course upload spur of the moment, off the cuff videos. But you should also take some time to put a little thought behind your video content, a strategy. Keyword being strategy. Like, what topics will you post about each month? Will you do a video series? Will that video series lead to somewhere? Will you just do one-off videos? How will your videos promote your best content? What's the goal behind each video? Now, if you need help with this, I've got another video called How to Create a Social Media Marketing Strategy That Doesn't Suck, and I will link to it above right there. But watching that video is going to help you understand how you can plan out your content in a way that will also strategically grow your business. Step number 7 to using IGTV to grow your business is to be consistent. Sure, posting your first video is a great first step, but you need to keep taking regular steps after your first step. Consistency is a crucial step to any great social media strategy because A, most social media algorithms favor consistency, and B, being consistent develops trust and anticipation with your audience. They're gonna start anticipating your next video when you do it regularly, and that builds excitement. Moving on. Step number 8 to using IGTV to grow your business is to use the special features. Yep, there's currently a whole slew of special little features that are available to you right now, and there's likely to be even more of them as the months roll on, because Instagram loves adding special little features, which I think is pretty special. So be sure to take advantage of the special little features like longer format videos. We're talking 10 minutes to 1 hour videos. Now, for many people, you only can upload for up to 10 minutes, but Instagram has made it very clear that there is soon going to be no time restriction, which is pretty cool. Higher quality videos. Instagram is hinting at maybe even 4K, which if you don't know much about tech, 4K is pretty high quality. Hold on to your butts. Links in the description. Oh my goodness. Finally, you can actually put clickable links in the description of your videos. Gone are the days where you have to be like, click the link in my profile. You can just be like, yo, click the link in the description of this video. You can simply put a link in the description of your video and people can click on it and go to wherever it is you're sending them. Amazing. And story links. Yep, you can and should link directly to your IGTV account from within your stories. And this is really freaking exciting because this is available to people with less than 10,000 followers, like me. Us smaller accounts can now link directly to our IGTV account from within our stories with that coveted little swipe up feature. Yay! And step number 5 to using IGTV to grow your business is to get creative and have fun. I mean, with this being a brand new app, this gives you every opportunity to really get creative and think outside of the box and to have fun. I mean, what's the point if you're not having fun? Social media should be fun. So get in there and get your hands dirty. And there you have it, 9 steps to using IGTV to grow your business. Speaking of growing your business, if your online business growth is feeling a bit stagnant, then I invite you to check out my brand new and free masterclass about the 3 changes I made in my business that took me from $468 to $8,524 a month and beyond. So if you would like to come hang out with me more and check out that free workshop, then I will pop the link for that baby in the description below this video. So check it out in the description below this video. And now I'm curious, how do you feel about IGTV? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know in the comments below, and if you do have an IGTV channel started, then be sure to link me to it so that I can go stalk all of your videos. And with that, I'm off. Click on your own icon and then it's gonna ask you if you want to create your own It's thundering outside. Can you hear it? It's so loud. Longer format videos. We're talking 10. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. Thunder, I'm trying to film a video. I mean, geez. Can't Mother Nature work around my schedule? I mean, oh my God, I just pooped my pants.